subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. Guys, today I'm gonna share an awesome idea about Easter craft. We need a pink A4 sheet for a proper card size, and we need neon color paper strips and attach it with the same sequence one by one. Turn the card and attach at the back side of the strips with the glue. Fold the one side of the card to make the center and cut it at circle at the center. Attach the paper strip with a glue properly and attach the Easter bunny, the outside of the card and the inner side of the card at the center. We covered with a white paper. The bunny foot on the outside of the card and add some foaming sheet on it for more attractive. And we also attach a paper bow at the top of the card. Hopefully you liked my card and my ideas. Happy Easter to all of you. Bye bye.